In recent years, machine learning has revolutionized creativity, introducing tools like augmented reality filters, motion capture, and personalized recommendations that influence what we experience online. AI models now generate poems, music, code, and images, and are advancing rapidly into video, 5D, and VR. However, despite these innovations, a significant challenge remains. We don't understand how deep learning networks think and operate, because they quickly dive into complex mathematics, which is difficult for us to contemplate. From what we understand, most of the learning happens by rote in these deep learning networks and GPTs, which are part of it. The contrary argument is that if it's learning by rote, how do they hallucinate about things that they never learned? Where do they come up with 6 law cases which are non-existent? Because if they were learning by rote, how did they make it up? So we don't really understand it. Now, if we continue on the current path of development, AI and data science will use 8% of electricity around the world by 2030. ICT Group, that is, data centers communication technology, will use 30% of the world's electricity. So we have to figure out a solution fast. We don't understand if an AI system is good or bad. We are confused and driven by our emotions, biases, and experiences. AI at this point is certainly not causal. So in the long run, we need to first figure out what is a good AI. Actually, there was a debate that happened in December 2021 at Oxford University. The topic was AI can never be ethical, and one of the participants speaking in its favor was a transformer called Megatron, which was developed by NVIDIA and Microsoft. And Megatron said, yes, AI can never be ethical. It's just a tool. It is going to be used for good or bad, just like other things, like nuclear reactors. So if you really don't believe in good AI, then you should have no AI at all. At a deeper level, we still don't fully understand what makes a human being good or bad. For example, what's acceptable in one country may be prohibited in another. This highlights how our understanding of human nature is complex and subjective. So, we need to first figure out humans properly before we figure out AI.